How to log in into Yahoo Mail. In this video, I will show you how can you easily log in into Yahoo Mail. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open any of the web browser in your device. I'm using Google Chrome here and I've opened the website of yahoo.com. After that, if you already have an account, click on the option of sign in at the top right corner. But here I have chosen the option of sign up, and here I will show you how can you easily create a new account in yahoo.com. So I'm entering my details here, full name, last name, and below now you need to choose the pattern of the email which you want. So simply use any number and your name, and already @yahoo.com is given at the extension. Now you need to create a strong password for your new Yahoo email. After that, provide your birth date. And now once you click on next option, you will see the option to provide your phone number. So simply provide your phone number and click on the option of get code on WhatsApp. After that, once you enter the verification code, you will be able to verify your identification and create your new Yahoo Mail. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.